spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 different items in stock, this former Diecast Dealer of the Year award winner has the diecast or plastic car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this cool 1955 Ford Crown Victoria in 1/43rd scale, on sale for only $9.99, or this new 1/50th scale die-cast model of a Caterpillar Tandem Vibratory roller for only $54.99, or check the webpage for thousands of other products today. Climb aboard the Fast Fright Halloween train from Lionel Trains. The set includes the Fast Fright Freight ET44 diesel locomotive, Crane Potions and Elixirs High Cube boxcar, Salem Cider Works tank car, Halloween Graffiti Maxi Stack car, Lionel Fast Track, and a Lion Chief remote for the locomotive. This set is now available at authorized Lionel dealers and retails for $499.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Scale 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher in East Broadtop livery for MTH dealer Sidetrack Hobbies of Leonardtown, Maryland. This locomotive will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is $519.95 plus freight. MTH has also announced a premier O-Scale 40-foot AAR boxcar in distinctive Green Mountain Railway livery for public delivery track. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $74.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Gauge Rail King flat car with 40-foot trailer in 6 popular road names this spring. Road names include a Pennsylvania car with Bickle's Potato Chips trailer, New York Central with a Clark Bar trailer, Northern Pacific with a Bisquick trailer, Milwaukee Road with a Green Giant trailer, a Southern Railway flat car and trailer, and a New Haven flat car and trailer. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and feature unique trailer graphics. All are expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in March 2024 and will retail for $69.95 each. MTH has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Scale 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher in Baldwin Locomotive Works livery for exclusive distribution by the Metropolitan Division of the TCA. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is $499.99 plus freight. MTH has also announced an exclusive Rail King 060 in Père Marquette livery for distribution by Great Lakes Hobby and Train. Available on a first-come, first-served basis, the switchers are expected to deliver in January 2024 in very limited quantities. The early order price is $479.99 plus freight. Now in stock at Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia is this MTH Rail King O-Gauge Santa Fe American crane car in glossy black bonnet finish. A very limited number of cars is available in 2 car numbers on a first-come, first-served basis for $79.99 plus freight. And finally, for those cool autumn days, show everyone your favorite team with these railroad-themed sweatshirts from Amazon. Remember, this channel receives a small commission from qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you can get the product you want and support your favorite channel at the same time. This is your favorite channel, isn't it? That's all for this week. Watch for our latest long-form video going live this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching.